minute. 1 minute.
लालू यादव was the supporter of social justice. उन्होंने रथ यात्रा में आडवाणी को जेल में डाला तो फिर वेंडेटा लिया.
So
he is the champion of social justice. And I stand by it.
चारा घोटाला में was he convicted? Yes or no? Yes or no? No. Was he convicted in the fodder scam? Yes or no?
He was framed by a conspiracy of some.
By whom? By the court.
You supported Lalu Yadav. You were with
All right.
No.
All right. One minute.
And Lalu Yadav.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Lalu Yadav was the supporter of social justice. उन्होंने रथ यात्रा में आडवाणी को जेल में डाला तो फिर वेंडेटा लिया.
So
he is the champion of social justice. And I stand by it.
चारा घोटाला में was he convicted? Yes or no? Yes or no? No. Was he convicted in the fodder scam? Yes or no?
He was framed by a conspiracy of some.
By whom? By the
India, in which the money has been recovered. It was between a Bank of Baroda and some local people who used to make a false check and get withdrawn. This was the case. It was not against Nitish Kumar. No court of India, no. That point of time, UPA was in power. Why UPA never, made any allegation against of Nitish Kumar?
I just want.
In India, Nitish Kumar is the most political.
biggest
agency has made any allegation.
Okay. All right. No.
Allow me to
1 minute. I'm not going to be able to conduct a debate if
gave you
okay. Got the point. What's your
and
mood
all
point?
accused
What's your mood point?
Sugan scam in jail. All accused.
Okay, but what's your next? What's your basic?
Let me ask my biggest adversary.
Yes.
Did I say anything wrong?
Absolutely.
And now let me finish.
For a change, I agree with you.
For
And I clap for you also.
just so
बहुत बढ़िया बोले.
Because you got a
No, because he showed you the mirror.
Nitish Kumar
And he
is
showed the
capable.
BJP the mirror.
Your party never dared to make any allegation against Nitish Kumar. You people have been thrown out on the street when Lalu was in power. You don't have even the You people have never been allowed to walk on the street, never been allowed to protest against Lalu Yadav when he was in power. Your democratic rights were frozen up by the Lalu government. You don't know anything. Mr. Vivek, you don't know
I'm coming
anything.
one by one.
Let me speak. It's my chance. So let me speak. 20 seconds.
Now,
20 seconds. Then
I'm only giving him 30 seconds, and then you have to respond to all the questions.
My allegations.
Never win.
No. Hold on. It's my chance. It's my chance.
Satya Prakash.
Let me speak.
Yes.
जब सत्ता में आना था, सरकार बनानी थी और उधर से पलट के इधर आए तो मैंने बोलने दीजिए. 30 सेकंड दे रहे हैं.
हमने
डरिए मत. मेरी आवाज से डरिए मत.
बनाई.
सुनिए पहले. सुनिए पहले.
पर बनाई. आप हमारे मूल्यों पर आए. मूल्यों पर झुके नहीं. नीतीश कुमार भ्रष्टाचार, करप्शन, कम्युनलाइजेशन, इन चीजों पर समझौता नहीं करते. शासन मंत्र है, उस पर चलते हैं.
Satya Prakash ji, now you have to calm down. Complete your question to the ruling party.
डर के मारे, मेरी आवाज से डर के चीखे ना. सुने, आप आए हमारी तरफ या हम आए आपकी तरफ. रुक जाइए जरा आप. और एक सरकार बनाई गई.
रुक जाइए.
अब बोलने दीजिए मुझको. अब बोलने दो भाई. उत्तर नहीं है. सीधा यू सपोर्टेड लालू यादव. यू वर विद.
All right. 1 minute.
And Lalu Yadav.
1 minute.
Lalu Yadav was the supporter of social justice. उन्होंने रथ यात्रा में आडवाणी को जेल में डाला तो फिर वेंडेटा लिया.
So
he is the champion of social justice. And I stand by it.
चारा घोटाला में was he convicted? Yes or no? Yes or no? No. Was he convicted in the fodder scam? Yes or no?
He was framed by a conspiracy of some.
By whom? By the party. By the Congress party. He was. Okay. All right.
I have all the money.
Vivek, I request everybody.
Silence. Silence. No. Please wait.
Just now, Vivek was extolling the points made by Rahul Gandhi on the vendetta politics, correct? You're right?
Yes.
So Rahul Gandhi is by and large correct, right?
Yes.
Rahul Gandhi, why is Vijay not in jail?
Yeah, that's a selective statement.
It's selective. So he's selective, they're not here. Okay. Sir, I have not interrupted. Secondly, Rahul Gandhi, you have just now said that...
Vivek.
No,
Vijayan.
Vijayan has said. Secondly, he has said that Samajik Nyay ke Puroda, which you have repeated, that Laluji's Samajik Nyay ke Puroda.
Yes.
Just now, just few days ago, Mr. Tejasvi Yadav said Shahabuddin Amar Rahe. You know, one of the victims of Shahabuddin was CPI-ML leader, Mr. Chotelal Gupta. He was killed and brutally murdered, and it was his first or second conviction.
Yes, I know.
हाँ, so Shahabuddin Amar Rahe,
yes.
left कार्यकर्ता को मारने वाला. ठीक है. Thirdly, there is a leader of the RJD MLA. I don't want to play a statement who said भूरा बाल साफ करने का मतलब भूरा means the Bhumiyar, Rajput, Agada. Baal means it means Brahman and it means Lala. ये झूठ क्या है? Video है. I'm not playing it because it is a very communal video. It has been put out in the public domain.
We are on corruption.
Lastly, I'm saying that there is one more gentleman, and that gentleman has said something very important, and I think that deserves to be heard. Please hear.
की तरफ नरेंद्र मोदी उंगली उठा के दिखा दे, मान जाऊंगा नरेंद्र मोदी में 56 इंच का सीना.
आज है 56 इंच का सीना.
56 इंच. अच्छा.
56 इंच का सीना नहीं है, ये भी साबित हो गया.
डाल देना. On this point.
Why no trial? Why no charge sheet? Vivek Srivastava.
Clinching evidence, why no?
Anmol Pawar, 1 minute.
There is,
Vivek Srivastava.
Yes.
You're talking about Lalu Prasad
Yes.
Yadav. Let's discuss Lalu Prasad Yadav first.
Yes.
My question is
Yes.
based on
Yes.
courts. Courts have convicted him.
Yes.
Is he Bhagat Singh?
No, I mean, see.
Is he Bhagat Singh?
No.
Yes or no? Yes or no?
The way he was
Is
struggling, the pain in the jail that he was undergoing, the tortures by these governments of the India later on, सिर्फ उस context में बोला गया था. He is not Bhagat Singh. उस context में बोला गया था.
Now, one case came up in the Supreme Court this morning.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
In that case, the Supreme Court said no quashing. Let the trial go on.
Okay.
That Supreme Court was looking at elections and called the case today.
No.
So-
You have to understand.
So I rest my case.
No.
I rest my case.
Let me speak. Let me counter it.
Huh?
Today, Lalu Yadav is the biggest enemy of the BJP because of Bihar elections. Number one. Number two.
So Supreme Court
Number
is saying,
two, हमारा मानना है.
Supreme Court is
आप सुनिए.
playing
No.
the BJP's game.
No. Number two, if Lalu Yadav was not there, बिहार के अंदर जो बाबू साहब, जो राजपूत और जो कायस्थ और जो ब्राह्मण और जो अपर कास्ट हैं, उनसे नजर मिला करके कोई बैकवर्ड बात नहीं कर सकता था.
आप ये
रथ यात्रा जो लालू यादव ने रोकी और आडवाणी को
1 minute.
हाउस अरेस्ट किया.
1 minute.
आपने नहीं किया था. आप नहीं थे आडवाणी को जेल भेजने वाले जब वो सामाजिक
Vivek Srivastava, 1 minute, Satya Prakash ji.
Yes.
We are not on an election rally.
Yes.
We are discussing corruption.
Yes.
Here. On corruption, I asked you questions, and on corruption, the Supreme Court. मैं आपसे आलम साहब पूछना चाहती हूँ. अब
नहीं,
ये
आप आनंद रंगनाथन से पूछिए, डिटेल दें अजीत पवार के केसेस के, हेमंत बिस्वा शर्मा के केसेस के डिटेल, शहजाद पूनावाला दें यहाँ पर.
विवेक
मेरे को अभी
विवेक श्रीवास्तव,
उसको कोई नहीं डिस्कस करता.
विवेक
सत्ताधारी पार्टी के साथ है.
श्रीवास्तव जी, आप तय करेंगे कि मैं क्या बोलूं?
नहीं, मेरा राइट है.
नहीं,
ये मेरा राइट है.
आप तय नहीं करेंगे.
रूलिंग पार्टी के अलावा करप्शन को डिस्कस नहीं करेंगे यहाँ पर.
मैं विपक्षी दलों को बोलने को मौका दे रही हूँ, ये नहीं मौका दे रहे. मैं आपसे पूछ रही हूँ, यू सेड इलेक्शंस का टाइम है इसीलिए ये हो रहा है. सुप्रीम कोर्ट इलेक्शन देख के सुन रही है केस?
सुप्रीम कोर्ट इलेक्शन देख के ही तो केस सुन रही है.
अच्छा,
बिल्कुल मैं कह रहा हूँ.
Are you alleging the judges are now?
सुप्रीम कोर्ट भी आजकल जो है दबाव में महसूस कर रही है पब्लिक. सुनिए, आप मेरा वर्जन तो जाने दो भाई साहब.
इलेक्शन देखकर हियरिंग कर
आप मेरा वर्जन तो जाने दो.
कहते सुप्रीम कोर्ट इलेक्शन देखकर गए थे. क्या देखकर
भाई सुप्रीम
सपना था लालू
सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जब मामला गया है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट
राहत नहीं मिले, इलेक्शन देख के फैसला, राहत मिल जाए तो फिर कुछ और
डिसीजन दे दिया.
मुझे एक बात बोलिए,
डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर
आज इनको अपना बिहार के
क्या क्या केसेस हैं बताओ मुझको.
मैं बता रहा हूँ.
बताओ.
One minute.
कितने का स्कैम है
मैं बताता हूँ, रुको।
विवेक श्रीवास्तव जी,
मुझे बोलने देना बिहार से।
सत्ताधारी अगर है तो 3 चटनी दी आप सबने।
वाजपेयी जी
1 मिनट।
एक लालू यादव के पीछे सारे पड़े हो।
विवेक श्रीवास्तव,
क्योंकि उसका
विवेक श्रीवास्तव, यू हैव हैड योर टर्न,